Hello everyone, welcome to Work Status. In this video, we are going to understand the dashboard of your account. Once you log in with the organization owner or manager account or a delivery head, you will be able to see that this is how the dashboard looks like. Here are the list of the widgets which are available on your dashboards, which you can check and uncheck. Let's talk about the one that you're seeing at the front is the average working hours. So this gives you the effective time and the productive time of your organization for all of the members. Similarly is for the average productivity time. It is the time, that is the percentage of the total time spent on your productive app and URLs, the activity time, the idle time and the away time, that is the break time or the away time. Now this is the glimpse of the member section, which is going to give you the more of the information on how many the total members were, how many are offline, and how many are using which OS. Similar goes for the project worked. This gives you information on the projects that have been worked until now or till date, and this, if you scroll down, these are the widgets which are available and can be seen on your dashboard screen. The data can be filtered out by clicking department, member or the teams. You can click on the date drop down to see the data as per your requirement. Once this is done, the data is visible accordingly, and the dashboard, you can even save the dashboard views. Now this was the original dashboard shown to you. If you want a customized dashboard, you can just select, maybe you want project work and task status should not be the widget that should be included in your widget. Then you can click here and you'll be able to see that this is a section where you can type the name of the view that you want to keep, and you can just click on add new. A new dashboard view is added, and this is how it looks like. So if you click on this drop down, you navigate to the old dashboard or whichever the saved ones were, you'll be able to see the changes. So this is all about the dashboard. Thank you.